We got a cop across from us. I got no front plate, and we're in a front plate state. Get him! Get him, officer! That's a sheriff. Okay, what's up? I'm in my car, obviously. Got the seats in, all that. These clips are going to be used for a transmission build part 3 or 4 video. It's been a good while since I've filmed those videos, but I've just been unable to, I've been unable to successfully get video for that. Not as much video, actually. I've been unable to get good audio for clips that I'm going to be showing you guys, like the 3rd and 4th gear. I'm trying to do, because I have these microphones, I'm mic'd up right now. I'm trying to get good audio for the sake of just driving the car. Like, I want you guys to hear the gears while I'm driving. It's hot as balls outside right now, but like I said, for the sake of this clip right now, this is a decent while since I've actually filmed and finished the car. The car's finished. I'm in it right now. I've been driving the car a few hundred miles already on it. I've been driving it a lot since I finished it, so that's why I'm at a few hundred already, but I want you guys to hear this straight cut 3rd and 4th, so I'm going to be using one of these mics in the engine bay. Obviously, I'm hoping it turns out good. So I'm going to try and get some of those clips for you guys today. Maybe I'll film what I'm doing today. I got to go run and get a helmet, and maybe I'll just film a quick car wash for you guys today. Nothing too crazy. Might stop and get some shots. Don't know yet for sure, but we'll see where the day takes us. But like I said, getting some shots for you guys so you can hear the 3rd and 4th gear. Just kind of get some driving shots of me with the fresh trans in, stuff like that. So, yep. All right, everybody get some audio clips of the 3rd and 4th gear. Kind of get some. Actually, you probably could hear that with the microphone in the engine bay, so it's great. But about to get some audio clips of me driving. About to go pick up another helmet. I picked up one yesterday from Winter Circle. I think there's 3 locations, but I go to the Joliet one. But about to go pick up another race clip helmet. Pretty sure my AC went out, so the window's down today on this humid, hot, post-rainy day. My balls are going. Oh, we're dripping. We pimping, and dripping, and drooping. Ooh. Oh. And I'm in neutral and a light green. Alright, there we go. This sounds quite good. Probably gonna roll the windows up a little bit, cut off some wind noise. Like that. I look at C8, and then a paint matched fucking slingshot. What the hell? Everybody, I don't know what your thoughts are, but a C8 is just a poor man's Ferrari. I don't think those are Corvettes anymore. Hate me for it all you want. I don't care. They should have kept the engine in the front of the Corvette. That's my hot take of the day. That's all it is. And slingshots, they missed a huge market. Those could have been America's ATM Expos. ATM had 4 wheels. Another missed mark. I said what I said. So far, everything I got to say about this brand. It's a lot more direct. I definitely feel a difference in the output of the power. Both of the tires are now putting down, so it lights them up. It lights up both of them, no issue. That's that LSD putting in that work. The straight cut third and fourth feel great. I always like to listen to them, but I start to lose the sound of them around 4K. Anything above like $4,000, I probably start to lose the sound of them just because of the exhaust. But overall, trans feels great, pretty solid. Just kind of getting the meshing going on with the gears, breaking the synchro. Still trying to learn this clutch and flywheel. Car revs up so much faster. Alright, on my first drive right now, I'm in second right now. Get ready.